how to close or exit games fully on PlayStation. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can close or exit games fully on PlayStation, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to close or exit games fully on your PlayStation, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all, let's say you're playing a specific game and now you just maybe want to, let's say, exit the game. Most likely the game could have an exit button, right? And that will just close the game fully without just minimizing them. So let's say you're playing a specific game over here and then you want to simply close it. It's very simple. Even if you don't find the exit button, there's a way I can suggest you. That is on your controller over here, as you can find it. You'll most likely find the PS button, right? So just look for the PS button that you can find from here. That will directly take you to the home screen. And when you go to the home screen, the game is not going to get closed, it is only going to get minimized. Now the thing is, how do you want to close the game fully? Well, just hover the selection over it and then just select options button here. Once you select the options button, if you look over there, you'll find the option called close application. Click on close application, click on OK, and then the game will get successfully and fully closed just like that. And this way you'll be able to close games fully on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.